October, so you know how it's about to go. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Perry, and if you are new here, welcome. Today's video is very exciting because I have never done anything like this before. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be transforming into the Jhene Aiko Chilombo deluxe album. And let me show y'all a picture. I don't know why I thought it was gonna work, but I'm gonna put a picture of it up on the screen. And yeah, this look has been way overdue because honestly I've been so scared to do it that I've been procrastinating, but we finally about to do it. It's perfect timing because Halloween is this weekend, so we about to do it. Okay, so first, looking at her brows, they are very defined and dark. So I'm gonna do those first. And excuse my hair, like I said, I've been procrastinating. I was supposed to do this style, I was supposed to do this look when I first did my hair, but since I've been procrastinating, it looks a mess now. But it's fine, you're not gonna see nothing but these two braids when I put the head thing on. All right, I'm going to use the NYX micro brow pencil in espresso, which is what I use for when I want a more dramatic brow. And also, her brows are pretty straight, so it should be kind of easy for me to get this look because I like my brows pretty straight as well. So I'm about to do those. Also, I noticed that the ends of her brow are kind of thin, so I'm gonna attempt to make mine thinner at the end, but I'm probably gonna have to do that with the concealer. Okay, so this is what I'm looking like so far. Now I'm about to clean it up with some concealer, and I'm actually gonna use a bright concealer because although she doesn't have on much eyeshadow, it's kind of just like a smoky eye, her face is very bright. So I think I'm gonna use this really light concealer on the top and bottom of my brows. Yikes. But hopefully it gives me the look I want in the end. Okay, so now my brows are done and I feel like they look pretty similar. Like this is kind of the look that I was going for. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the eyes. Okay, it should be fine, it's just a simple smoky eye. So first I'm going to use the same concealer I used for my eyebrows since it's lighter, and just use it to prime my eyelids. Okay, and then like I said, she just kind of has like a black smoky eye that is very, very, very much smoky. And it's also kind of like pointed in the inner corners, which I'm just now noticing, but I should have known because she always does the little points with her eyeliner. So for this look, I think I'm going to use, I don't know, I gotta find a black. Literally none of the palettes I have, and I have a ton, have black in them. So I'm going to use this Sweet Peach palette, and it has this shade called Tempting, and I feel like that's the closest color to black that I have, so I'm gonna use that. But first I'm going to go in with Puree as like a transition color, so the darker color won't be too harsh. And I'm just gonna put this right above my crease. Okay, so now with this dark color, I wish I had a base, but I don't even have any eyeliner to use as a base. So I guess I'm gonna just start light and keep packing it on. Hopefully this color actually looks black, because I'm not sure if it's a true black. Okay, I think this will do. So I'm just gonna put this dark blackish color on my lid and pack it on. Okay, she doesn't really wing it out too much, so I gotta keep that in mind. I think I brought it too high up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just use some more concealer and kind of brighten this area back up, because hers is really bright. And then I'm just going to keep packing on this black color. And I'm gonna take this flat blending brush and just go around the edges, because I don't want to blow it back out too much like I did the first time. Then I'm just gonna take Puree again, the brown color I used as my transition shade, and I'm just gonna go over the edge again on a smaller blending brush. Okay, I think that's good. Girl, I don't want to mess it up. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and I think it's okay for now. And then I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and then I'll come back to show y'all what I'm working with, and we can start on the face. Okay, so I did the other eye, and I don't know, we gonna see how it turned out. So now let's go ahead and do the face. And like I mentioned before, her skin, like her highlighted areas, are very bright. So after foundation, I'm going to have to use a super brightening concealer. But for foundation, I'm going to go in with my NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. And you got to shake it really good because it's like watery. I meant to take out my septum ring so that it wouldn't throw the look off. It's fine. Okay, now that I have foundation on, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Honey. And as you can see, it is very bright. And I'm gonna let this sit for a little while, and it won't move around as much, because I really want it to stay in these areas, because my face is already gonna be really bright, so I don't want it to be more spread out than it has to be. So I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, so I let it sit for a little while, and now I'm about to start blending it out. I got black eyeshadow everywhere, and I do not want to get it back on my face. So hopefully, oh, I just literally just, like, as soon as I said that, got it on my lip. And I'm going to set this immediately so that it will not crease. And I'm gonna use my Hourglass Veil powder. Of course, what else would I use? Then I'm going to brush off the excess powder with a fluffy brush. Now I feel like we might be finally getting somewhere. Okay, so for bronzer, she is very bronzed, but it's like, it's very low, like it's like here. So I gotta stay in that area. I'm gonna do like a little outline first, and then I'm gonna go back in. Okay, yeah, so it's like right here. For her forehead, it's concentrated right here. And I'm gonna kind of bring it into my chin because her chin is kind of pointed, so I want to give my chin that effect. Like so. Okay. Then I'm going to go in and blend out this bronzer and add a little more where I need it. Okay, now I'm gonna do the nose, and her nose contour kind of starts right here and it goes down straight. Also, her nose is kind of flat, so I don't know how I'm gonna make my nose look like this. I'm gonna put a little of this, a little more bronzer on like the bulbous part of my nose to kind of make it look flatter. And then I'm gonna add some more concealer right here so that it looks like it pops out more. Okay, I think that's good for the nose. She also has on like a reddish, orangish blush that matches her lips a little, but I don't have that color, so I'm going to use a tad bit of this color Heat from this e.l.f. palette, and I have to be very light-handed with this because it is very pigmented, and I know y'all hear me dropping stuff. Sorry. Like literally just tap, and then I'm gonna put it on my hand first just to make sure, and I'm gonna go right on top of where I put the bronzer. Okay, now I guess I will finish the eyes. Oh goodness, I'm so scared to do this inner corner thing, but we gonna try it. We gonna try it and see, and it's gonna turn out good. We're gonna speak it. So I'm gonna get a small, like an eyeliner brush. It's like, it's slanted, and this is what I'm gonna use to kind of point that part. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, then I'm just going to use this same brush to drag the black all the way across my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna use this little small little fluffy brush, and I'm gonna dip it lightly in the eyeshadow and kind of like smoke the lower lash line out a little. I'm also gonna touch up my lid a little bit. And I don't really see a wing, but I do see that she has on some natural lashes and some bottom mascara. And it kind of looks like she has a little white in her waterline. So I'm gonna put some in mine, just a little. Add a little bit more powder under my eyes just to kind of clean up under there a little bit. I used a little bit more than I intended to. But I'm about to take a little fluffy brush and dust everything off. So now I'm going to put on some lashes. They're the most natural ones that I have, so I'm gonna put these on while I'm waiting for the glue to dry on those a little. I'm gonna put on some mascara. Lashes are on and mascara is on, so that's good. And oh, let me spray my face first. To set my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Make It Last setting spray. And for my brows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Now for the fun part. So I bought this stamp specifically for this look, and it's the peace sign stamp that she has under her eye. It's under the left side, so I'm gonna put mine on the left side, which I'm glad about because this is my good side. Oh my god, let me make sure I put it in the right place. Okay, so hers is literally like right here. Oh, it's a little crooked. It's fine. It's fine. Got the peace sign. Now onto the lips. Her lips are like a rusty, orangey, reddish color. And they are also way smaller than mine. So I'm gonna have to do a little tweak into my natural lip shape. And also, I'm gonna use liner, even though it doesn't look like she has any on, or if she does, it's the same color, but I'm gonna use brown, and I'm gonna kind of try to mimic her lip shape and underline my lips a little bit. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with the color Love Bug in the Color Matte Ultra Matte Lip. Okay, I think we are ready for the headpiece. Also, she has on like a black turtleneck with some gold strings hanging down. I don't have the gold strings, but I do have a black turtleneck, so I'm gonna put that on as well, and I will be right back. Okay, so I put on the turtleneck and I put on a little gold necklace since I don't have the little gold strings. And this is the little headpiece that I made, and I just made it out of like an elastic headband and some roses I got off Amazon, and I spray painted them black. So I know, okay, she has these two in the front out. So I'm gonna put my other braids through the headband so it'll stay on. And then move it around. Alright, y'all. This is the finished look. And honestly, it turned out way better than I thought. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see the details. Alright, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below with your favorite song off of Chilombo Deluxe. Mine is definitely on the way. Yeah, let me know what's your favorite. Also, subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.